Merusu ya beke ka moka e tlogetse Harrismith e tlhakatlhakane. Badudi ba nyaka go ntshiwa ka fatshe ga mmasepala wa Maluti ya Phofung. Ba re ba tsentšha letseno le le ntšhi mmasepaleng empa ga ba kgwetse ditirelo.
Ha re ipatle re le Harrismith ka ra masepala o bitswang Maluti ya Phofung. So ke ka hona re batla gore president a kene dipakeng a tlo bua taba ena hobane ebile qeto ya sepolotiki ha ya ba taba ile ya tsamaya go ya ka molao.
Re bile ntweng tse dilemo ntse re lwana batho ba rekuwa ba nkuwe ba bitsetse ka di-officing ho tloha ba tshwara meeting a gore batho ba re siya hona mo se ba Bloemfontein ba lo sebetsa
ra na fela service delivery e le goreng e affectwe ke engagement ya rona leqwaqwa nako e before kopana leqwaqwa things were running smoothly this side go kopana rona leqwaqwa ha nka budget ya rona ha nka nako ya rona ha nka leader tsa rona ga di sa qwaqwa
Dikgwebo ga bjalo ke tsona di go balang le go feta.
So we were closed for a while. It's been from last Thursday we didn't open the shop because if shop is not open we can't survive. We need to pay the rent, house rent, food. So we're not open, how we gonna pay all these things?
Toropo ya rona e ntsho e le fifi ha ona di-lights ha ona even le di-Apollo lights le questioning teng ho west e ka re lahlilwe so re a kopa hore le rona batho ba Harrismith re bonahale le rona hore re batho ha re kgone ho sebetsa dikgwebo tsa rona di eme ha ona ntho e lokang ntho engwe le engwe e iswa qwaqwa.
A mangwe a mabenkele a sa tswaletswe.
The impact has been very bad, especially for the people in Harrismith. The staff can't even get to work. They are being threatened. As you can see, some of the staff have to wear normal clothes just to get to work. The clients doesn't come to fetch their parcels or anything. They're too afraid to come here.
Pijana mo bekeng badudi ba tsweletse mmile wa lephefo wa N3 mo batho ba go feta 30 ba ileng ba golegwa go bona bana ba bangwe ba tsweletse pele ga Masterata wa Harrismith ka melato ya digaruru tša phatlalatša. Maphodisa a tswela pele go bea seemo leihlo.